Alright, today I'm doing a review on this jack that I got mounted on my oak trailer. Show you how it works. Alright. And the sockets that you can put on your impact. How good that works? Show y'all something else too. Alright. Alright. Always pull the pin out right here. This. Drop it down to the next level. Like that. And then you want to have that for a jack. Pretty good deal. Alright, that's it.